How to keep your French Bulldog cool in hot weather. French Bulldogs are adorable and affectionate dogs that have earned a special place in many homes, but their physical structure makes them especially sensitive to heat. Due to their short muzzle and limited ability to regulate body temperature, it's crucial to take extra steps to protect them in hot climates. This video is designed to help you care for your Bulldog during the warmest days, ensuring their safety and well-being. Remember, your Bulldog relies on you to keep him cool and comfortable. With these practical tips, you can enjoy the summer with your furry companion without worries. Let's get started. French Bulldogs, like other brachycephalic breeds, have unique physical characteristics that hinder their ability to cope with heat. Their short muzzles and more compact airways reduce their ability to dissipate heat through panting, which is the primary cooling mechanism in dogs. Furthermore, their short coat, while seemingly ideal for warm climates, doesn't provide sufficient protection against extreme temperatures. Because of this, Bulldogs are at greater risk of heat exhaustion, a serious condition that can be life-threatening if not treated promptly. Knowing these limitations is the first step to implementing strategies that keep them safe and cool. One of the most important tips for protecting your Bulldog from the heat is to avoid the sun during the hottest hours of the day, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Choose to take your Bulldog out early in the morning, when temperatures are cooler, or in the evening, when the heat has subsided. This will not only reduce the risk of overheating, but will also make walks more enjoyable for your companion. Plan physical activity in moderation. Remember that, even during cooler times, French Bulldogs have physical limits that shouldn't be ignored. Proper hydration is essential to combat the heat. Make sure your Bulldog always has access to fresh, clean water. Place several water bowls around your home, especially if your Bulldog spends time in different rooms. You can add ice cubes to the water to keep it fresher for longer and encourage your dog to drink more often. However, be sure to watch him while he's eating the ice cubes to avoid any discomfort. Also, pay attention to signs of dehydration, such as a dry nose, lethargy, excessive panting, or loss of skin elasticity. If you notice any of these symptoms, provide water immediately and monitor their progress. Your home should be a safe, cool haven for your Bulldog during hot days. Use fans or air conditioning to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. If you don't have air conditioning, consider creating drafts by opening windows in safe areas. Another practical solution is cooling mats designed for dogs. These mats provide a cool surface where your Bulldog can rest comfortably. They are especially useful in regions where the heat persists even at night. If your Bulldog spends time outdoors, make sure he has access to shaded areas. Umbrellas, gazebos, or trees can be great ways to protect him from direct sunlight. Exercise is important for all dogs, but in hot climates, it is necessary to moderate the intensity and duration of activities for French Bulldogs. Avoid strenuous activities, such as running or prolonged outdoor games, when temperatures are high. Instead, choose gentle activities such as walking at a leisurely pace or playing brain games that don't require much physical effort. Break the activity into short bursts and allow your Bulldog to rest during each break. Always carry water with you to keep him hydrated while you're outside. It's essential to watch for any signs of heat stress in your French Bulldog. Some common signs include excessive and rapid panting, bright red gums or even blue in severe cases, lethargy or extreme weakness, sudden vomiting or diarrhea, physical collapse. If you notice any of these symptoms, act immediately. Cool your Bulldog by placing a damp cloth on its paws, belly, and neck area. You can also spray it with cool, but not ice-cold, water to gradually lower its temperature. In severe cases, consult a veterinarian immediately. Heat stroke can progress rapidly and be life-threatening if not treated promptly. If your Bulldog shows signs of heat stroke, take these steps quickly. 1. Move it to a cool, shaded spot. 2. Apply wet wipes to key areas like the belly and legs. 3. Provide small amounts of fresh water to drink, but avoid letting him drink too quickly. 4. Monitor your dog's body temperature. A dog's normal temperature should be between 38 and 39 degrees Celsius. Never use ice or submerge your Bulldog in cold water, as this can cause thermal shock. Once you've applied first aid, take your Bulldog to the vet for a full checkup. In hot climates, pavement can reach extremely high temperatures that can burn your Bulldog's paws. Before you go outside, test the surface with the back of your hand. If you can't hold it for more than 5 seconds, it's too hot for your dog. Opt for walks on cooler surfaces, such as grass, or invest in protective boots for their paws. Additionally, protect your dog's skin by applying sunscreen specifically designed for dogs to sensitive areas, such as their nose and ears. This is essential to prevent sunburn and other skin problems. Avoid leaving your Bulldog inside a car, even for a few minutes. The temperature inside a vehicle can quickly rise and become deadly for your pet. Continuously monitor the temperature of your home, especially during the midday. Keep your Bulldog at a calm activity level during the hottest days to avoid heat stress. The best way to care for your French Bulldog in hot climates is to be proactive. Schedule regular veterinary checkups to assess their overall health and inquire about specific products, such as cooling vests or special mats. Invest time in researching their care during the warmer months and prepare ahead of time for the hottest days. Keeping your French Bulldog cool in hot weather isn't just a responsibility, but a sign of love for your faithful companion. With small adjustments, you can ensure that hot days don't pose a challenge to their health and well-being. Remember, avoid the hottest hours, keep your home cool, provide clean water at all times, and listen to your body's signals. By doing so, you'll ensure your pet has a safe, happy, and quality summer filled with good times. Protect your French Bulldog's health, take care of his well-being, and enjoy every moment with him.